Alrighty everyone, how are we doing today? This is week 11 of the GoMining solo mining. Again, a little bit late on the week that we should be doing on, but whatever. Total rewards 0.02746847 Bitcoin. That puts us at a grand total of $3,219.11 USD for this week of July 1st to July 7th. We were able to mine a total of 0.00032,681 Bitcoin, which means that week we made $38.29. Very nice. Very, very nice. Again, not bad at all for just coming here, clicking that button every 24 hours, and just letting it stack. There's literally nothing better than that. Also, right now, you have a 10% off efficiency upgrade codes, which is EE20WTH. That'll get you 10% off an efficiency upgrade. I would upgrade mine right now, but I'd rather not put more money into it, waiting for my 100% ROI first. And for anyone looking to start mining Bitcoin, the referral link will be down in the description below. You will get an extra 5% bonus in terahash. So buy 100, get 5. Buy 1,000, get 50. Buy 1 terahash, get 0.05. Free terahash is free terahash. Why not take it? You can start mining for as low as just $26.99, which will bring you in about 2 cents a day. At that rate, it'll take about 3.7 years to get a full 100% ROI. And some people might say, why would I waste my money doing that? Why would I do that? Well, if you want, you can also invest the same amount in the stock market, and you'll only get about 11% back rather than 37% annually. So we'll do a little bit of math on that. And with $26.99 in the stock market, mirroring the S&P 500 at about 11% back annually, it'll only take you 9 years to get that money back. So I don't know what sounds better, a 3.7-year return on ROI or a 9-year return on ROI. I'll let you guys make the decision on which sounds better. But either way, we'll see you guys soon. Have a good one and keep investing.